Hello there, friends. So, have you ever wondered what would happen if you ran over your finger with a needle? So, say you're sewing and you're looking away, you got distracted maybe, and you find a needle in your finger, like all the way through. Let's talk about that. I guess I'd have to say that in 43 years of doing upholstery like this, it's never happened to me where I get my finger underneath that needle. But you know what? I guess it could happen. Um, yeah. What did I do this for? Is that clickbait? Anyway, there was one time when I had the foot down like this, the needle was up, and somehow I ran my finger underneath the. I better make sure this thing's off, huh? I had my finger underneath the needle like this, my fingernail, and my fingernail caught the end of the needle, and it did go kind of into my nail a little bit and tore out a little bit, but you know, it wasn't that the needle went down into my finger. So the other thing that I've always thought about is sometimes when I am sewing like this, what I'm doing is I'm so focused on what I'm doing that my fingers are literally right next to the feet like this sometimes. You know, my fingers are right there. And there have been times where I have pinched my finger underneath that foot. So you don't even want to do that either, because that's probably a couple thousand pounds of pressure on that right there. So you don't want to smash your finger underneath the foot. You don't want to put a needle in your finger or anywhere else on your hand. Of course, you're always going to be careful. But you know, there's always that chance that something's going to happen. Like squirting ketchup all over your sewing machine here. So don't be this guy. Ah! Oh. Ah! So another hazard is when you're trimming your threads with your scissors. There was one time, or maybe a couple times I think, I got these little scars going across my fingers, and those are from the scissors. I see one there, see one there, see one there. Okay, so I'm trimming the threads, and there's actually been like one time when I went like this. I'm holding the material, and the material is covering my hand. I can't see it, so I go to cut it like that. And I also took a big chunk of finger out, just like that, and it was kind of like this right here, like that. Yeah, and just like that. So I was like that, and oh, that's nasty. Ooh, what am I doing? So everybody, be careful out there, okay? And until next time, we'll see ya.